Hey guys, and welcome to this unboxing and taste test of this crunchy nut clusters cornflakes. This is from Kellogg's. So here's like the front of the box, side of the box, the back of the box. So it's just more advertising, and they got some nutritional information here. And it's got no artificial flavors. I call this all flavors. That's pretty good. And just side of the box, just more branding. Alright, so I'll just open it up. Alright, so this is how much, I guess 450 grams by the way, and this is how much cereal is in the box. Just gonna add some milk. Then I'll just give it a quick taste. Right, it's pretty, yeah, it lives up to the name. It's pretty crunchy. It's pretty sweet, like honey flavor. Yeah, and it tastes pretty good. Alright, thank you for watching my unboxing and taste test of the Kellogg's Crunchy Nut clusters.